Hello everyone, welcome to Dynamic Study. This is quiz class number 63 on previous year question paper. We have been discussing the question paper of December 2018 and this is the third part of the video series. So let's start. Question number 21. Who are referred to as Scottish Chaucerians? Option 1 Thomas Hockliffe, Option 2 Robert Henryson, Option 3 John Lydgate and Option 4 William Dunbar. The correct option is option number 2 and 4, Robert Henryson and William Dunbar. Next, the enigmatic castle which K attempts to reach in vain in Kafka's The Castle belongs to whom? Option 1 Count West, Option 2 Count Aloof West, Option 3 Count East West and Option 4 Count Strange West. The correct option is option number 1 Count West. The Castle is a novel written by Franz Kafka and it was originally written in German. The German title was Das Schloss. Okay. And it was translated into English by Willa Moore and Edwin Moore. K is the name of the protagonist. It was an unfinished work, but Kafka suggested that the novel should end with the death of the protagonist K. Okay. Next, which is true regarding The Way of the World? The Way of the World, you know, it is a famous restoration comedy written by William Congreve. So, which is true regarding the play Way of the World? Option 1, it failed on stage. Option 2, Millamant and Mirabell failed to obtain the consent of Millament's aunt for their marriage. Lady Wishfort is the name of Millament's aunt. Option number 3, it presents a heroine pretending to love an older man. And option 4, it was performed and published in 1702. The correct option is option number 1. It failed on stage. This is true. Okay. Next. Which would not be invoked to describe a form of new historicist criticism? Option 1 Archaeology of social constructs. Option 2 Genealogy of patriarchal discourse. Option 3 Cultural materialism. And option 4 post-structural recovery of authorial intent. The correct option is option number 4. Post-structural recovery of authorial intent is not there in new historicist criticism. Question number 25. Match the authors with their novels. The title of the novels are given: Inheritance, Listening Now, Sister of My Heart and The Hero's Work. And these are the authors: Chitra Banerjee, Anita Rao Badami, Anjana Apachana and Indira Ganeshan. The correct matching is Sister of My Heart is matched with Chitra Banerjee. Okay, and The Hero's Work is a novel by Anita Rao Badami. Listening Now is a novel by Anjana Apachana and Inheritance is matched with Indira Ganeshan. Next, who wrote On the Knocking at the Gate of Macbeth? very famous essay. Option 1 Thomas De Quincey, option 2 Edmund Kean, option 3 William Hazlitt, option 4 Macready. I hope you all know the answer. The correct answer is option number 1 Thomas De Quincey. Next. In his practical criticism, I.A. Richards identified 4 kinds of meaning, or the 4 factors on which meaning depends. What are they? Option 1 sense, feeling, tone and matter. Option 2 image, feeling, tone and intention. Option 3 sound, sense, tone and matter. And option 4 sense, feeling, tone and intention. What are the 4 factors on which meanings of words depend upon? The correct option is option number 4 sense, feeling, tone and intention. These are the 4 factors. Okay. Next question. There is a quotation. A tattered coat upon a stick, unless soul clap its hands and sing a louder sing for every tatter in its mortal dress. These are the lines from W.B. Yeats's poem Sailing to Byzantium. Now the question is here, the aged man and his soul in its mortal dress referred to option 1 point counterpoint, option 2 tenor vehicle, option 3 analogy analog, and option 4 vehicle and tenor. The correct option is option number 2 tenor and vehicle. Question number 29. The Unfortunate Traveller is narrated by whom? Option 1 Ben Light, option 2 Jack Wilton, option 3 Peter Marston, and option 4 Philip Fox. The correct answer is option number 2, Jack Wilton. It was also subtitled as The Life of Jack Wilton, written by Thomas Nash. Right? The last question of today, the title of Dylan Thomas's Deaths and Entrances was taken from which famous work? Option 1, Macbeth, option 2, Death's Duel, option 3, A Deathbed, and option 4, Murder in the Cathedral. The correct option is option number 2, Death's Duel, written by John Donne. So here our today's quiz class ends. Thank you very much. Keep on watching Dynamic Study. Keep on learning. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, share your views in the comment section, and also please subscribe to the channel to get more informative videos. We will meet very soon in our next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.